Good morning, guys. I hope everyone is doing well. Hope you guys had a good weekend. It was a very busy weekend for myself. We've made some big alterations to our crypto portfolio this weekend. Sold out of $80,000 worth of Bitcoin, transitioned it into some altcoins because we found this data. This weekend, with the help of, I want to give them credit, Altcoin Daily, we were able to find for you guys the coins that Blackrock is most likely going to be investing in. And we released this in the future forecast. After this video, go to tradeconfident.io, get a membership, watch this before you guys do any trading this week. I want to say this very kind of strongly. This is for our members, not for you guys who are new. But if you guys do not watch this, you guys are going to kick yourselves. When these guys have, as you can see here, $8.59 trillion under management, Larry Fink, the CEO of Blackrock, came out on news stations and basically told us, laid out the parameters, the criteria of what he's looking for to invest in as far as coins and tokens. If you guys are in these, I believe they're going to have great potential. One of these, we're up $2,500 just this morning, and I don't think that's a coincidence based off some research that we found. So definitely the first thing you guys want to do to start your week well before you do any trading. I'm not your financial advisor. I want to just make that clear, But as someone here who is doing a lot of research, please watch this before you make any trades this week. Okay. Continuing forward, and we're going to get into some technical analysis here. Last time I saw you guys on Friday, we were at 46 wins and 0 losses and 3 trades pending. So we actually want to trade over the weekend for scalping trades, which is pretty cool. And we are currently sitting at 47 wins and 0 losses. And just this morning, we just called out 4 new trades. So all of you guys who are members, make sure you guys are taking a look at that. These are my personal opinions of the markets, and we're doing very good. So currently at 47 wins, 0 losses, as you guys can see on the front page over here on tradeconfident.io. Okay, let's move into this. I want you guys to see something that's happening with the flow of money, where wells are going and where price action is going, because it wasn't lining up and it caused a $1,700 drop. And I'll show you guys where I think you guys, or we'll see crypto market go this week. Get you guys set up for all the good things you need to make some money this week in your crypto. We had a high and another higher high here on Friday. And Friday, when we came out and looked at this, we showed you guys that we had a high and a lower high on well money flow. This is an indicator called price versus well money flow that we use. This is going to show you guys if well money is actually following suit to the price action. So price action making higher highs, well money flow making lower highs. This means money is moving out of the market and it is abandoning retail traders to the upside. We saw this. We also had our trades in favor indicator on the 1 week, the 4 hour, the 15-minute, and the 1 day average out to an 82% chance of a drop on Friday. Due to well money flow heading out, due to the trades in favor calling us and giving us an 82% chance of a drop back down, the Bitcoin market ended up dropping $1,700 since Friday. So we're very happy with that. The call was successful. Coming up here, taking a look at the breakout detector. You guys are seeing right now, when it makes it a little bit bigger for everybody, we are currently not in a very tight pattern where we can see big breakouts. I think we're going to probably just kind of hover around here for a little bit. What you guys really want to be watching for when you have this on your chart is when the orange line comes down into the orange section here at the bottom, which is we call the breakout zone. When this happens, I'm going to make this a little bit bigger for us so we can see this. When this comes down to these levels, and by the way, the lower the orange line goes into the orange section, the greater and faster breakouts are expected in the market. And let me explain this to you guys so you know how to use this. When you have consolidating price action, this is going to consolidate, and there's going to be a lot of trades placing, buys, sells, shorts, longs. When a market eventually breaks out of consolidation, you have 2 things happening, either long squeezes or short squeezes. Let me get rid of this alert here real quick. We have a watch for pump, by the way. This is the top and bottom finder, and this is a watch for pump. Okay, so let's watch for that. I'll show you guys that in a second here. So when you have this consolidation in the market, we can see this here because the breakout detector, first indicator of its kind coded on TradingView, we're very happy about this. We can see now before the biggest moves in crypto happen. Before the biggest moves happen, you are going to have consolidation because of the shorts and long squeezes that are going to happen in the market. What we do is we look at this, and then we give ourselves an advantage by looking at trades in favor, and we can see that we had more favor on long trades here, which this resulted in a move to the upside, which was about 11%. Very, very handy if you guys are looking to get into what we jokingly call jackpot trades, because it can really give you guys some great great entries for really big trades. We use this for scalping trades too, which is partly why we have such a high scalping record, is this aids to that. Let's go over the different time frames here. We have on the weekly time frame a 71% chance of a drop. On the daily, we have a 67% chance of a drop. On the 4-hour, a 70% chance of a pump, actually. And then we have a 72% chance of a pump actually on the 15-minute time frame as well. Here is one scenario that I want you guys to watch out for that could be pretty bearish. Let's start on the 15-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame coming down and breaking this support right here is not the worst thing in the world. However, you need to go counterclockwise here and you need to go to the 4-hour time frame. A 4-hour time frame that breaks this structure, which is called an ascending support line, is most likely going to start pushing back down to the bottom of this support right here, which we could easily see Bitcoin coming down to about $29,400. So we do need to watch for this as a potential drop in the market. The weekly time frame still actually does look bearish at 71%, and the daily is sitting at a 67%. Tomorrow, I'm going to be sharing with you guys in the membership why we have a strong likelihood of Bitcoin doing one more drop down to $20,000. This is not a technical analysis pattern. It is a magnetization that happens based off of past price action. You're going to want to see this. Two prices, $35,000 for Bitcoin and $20,000 for Bitcoin. Which one are we going to hit first? Well, I'll give you my bias on one of them, but you need to understand we have a possibility that we could be going down to $20,000. There's also data that I've shown you guys. Actually, let me just show you here. I'll show you some members only content here real quick. I don't know if I can fit it on this chart, but I'm gonna do my best here. If you guys actually take a look at where the last two Bitcoin halving cycles have placed us in July, you need to understand the last two cycles have resulted in an average of a 48% drop. I show this to you guys in the future forecast. Watch the last 3 future forecasts. You'll be all caught up. This is data that is unbiased. I never come out and try to share data that is going to benefit myself. It won't help me or my family. I'm showing you guys data that I think you need to be seeing and being paying attention to because it shows past price action and we have historical performance in view. That is a very good way of assessing the markets. Okay. So that's pretty much all I've got for you guys. Just want to give you an update over the weekend. If you guys want to take any of our scalping trades, definitely just come over here to tradeconfident.io. I know you guys don't see it on this chart or this website here. It's at the top right of tradeconfident.io. Click subscribe. It's just $59 a month. First thing you guys want to do, click on Telegram, get in the Telegram channel. This Telegram channel, we just called out the 4 scalping trades, which you guys will get all the scalping trades in the Telegram channel, as well as email to you. 47 wins, 0 losses, 7 active trades. Future forecast where I'm trading my $250,000 account up to $1 million, which by the way, in this future forecast right here, I show you guys the breakdown of all the coins I'm entering into in order to achieve higher than $1 million account balance going past the halving event. So I'll show you exactly the percentages of where I think coins are going to go, how I plan on trading this to 4x my account, and then I'll show you guys which coins Blackrock is most likely going to be invested in. Again, you are going to kick yourself if you don't watch this video. So get a membership right after this video, tradeconfident.io, and watch this. Morning Brew overview, you guys are going to be able to see the top performing coin, the worst performing coin, and the 2 most crucial pieces of news every single morning before you start trading. And then every coin that has a breakout signal on it, a buy signal, a strong buy signal, a sell signal, or strong sell signal. Funny enough, on the 13th, do you guys remember what happened to altcoins? They blew up. We had the breakout detector called on almost every single one of these coins, which was the day that we saw the massive pump. That's not a coincidence. And then over here, we have the metrics that Jake's going to go over with you guys. And we are going to be showing you guys all of the data for Bitcoin, emotional index, the Well Smart Money, and just a bunch of stuff like that. Last but not least, you guys will see on the front page here, just giving you guys a quick overview. We do have a brand new bundle pack that we just released to everybody. And I'll show that to you guys real quick. All the indicators you saw over here, trades in favor that called that $1,700 drop on Friday. You guys will be getting this indicator, actually 11 of these indicators, to create a dashboard to track every single time frame, the weekly all the way down to the 1 minute. So you guys can create a huge dashboard. It's so amazing. Trades in favor, price risk while money flow, the breakout detector, and trend dashboard. These are our best indicators, followed by the top and bottom finder, and then also the support and resistance levels, which you guys can see here, which actually these are live color changing. So the moment that the price actually dips down below this green support, this will automatically turn red for you guys. First indicator of its kind to automatically change the levels of support and resistance based on color. So if you guys want to snag that, you guys can do so. Go to the description of this video, click Get Indicators, and then make sure you guys get the Pro Bundle Pack. It is 60% off, but if you are a member, we are going to give you an extension of 60% off. We're going to give you an extra $150 off. So get the membership after this video. That's $59. And then we're basically going to give you guys 4 months of free membership just by giving you $150 off the pro pack of indicators. And then we're also going to give you guys a $400 off coupon code on the top and bottom finder as well. Follow along on YouTube here. New scalping trades called out for those. The account is doing very well. We are currently sitting at $240,483. Very excited about that. Pushed up just a little bit more here as we're talking. And I'll show you guys exactly what I allocated into in that future forecast, which is the coins that Blackrock is most likely going to be investing in. And I think these have huge potential to skyrocket my portfolio as well as your guys' portfolio. So make sure you guys take a look. All right, Jake's got videos coming out. I will see you guys on Friday. God bless you guys, and just have a really, really amazing week. And tomorrow morning, I'll come out with another future forecast just for members about why we could be going to 20,000 and 35,000. I wouldn't miss that. All right, guys, we'll see you later. Bye.